Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El. Now I remember I did a review for you guys on the Tourbox. I told you why it's such a good tool for editing and all of that good stuff. And then you guys asked me, you said, well, you said it's portable. Some of you guys asked me, do you recommend any cases? Well, I got to tell you, I've used many cases, but again, it's whatever floats your boat. So we're going to get right into this. This is a case I highly recommend. Again, it's whatever floats your boat, but I like, you know, all my cases to hold it, you know, very secure. So I like it, you know, I'm not going to use this word because I know I'm going to get beat up for it. Ah, what the hell? Tight. Okay, I like it tight. Yeah, that's right. I said it. So anyways, let's get right into it. So guys, this is the case. That's right. It's by a company called Bofk. So anyways, guys, this is about a company called Bofk. Okay, I never heard of this company in my life. And I gotta tell you, I've used so many cases with this. I did not like, they were either too big, too small. And this one I really dug. So I'm going to show you first. Yeah, that's right. I still keep it in that little mesh here. So I'm going to show you this. Let me just take out all these cables here. How the heck this thing is. So first off, it has this like little fur feel to it, and it's a clamshell. And you're going to see it has this band right here. Then it has this part right here where you can put memory cards or whatever, anything extra that you need to put. And on top of that, it's kind of like, you know, those game cartridges, the ones I did for you for the, what is it, Nintendo Switch cases. But this thing is a little bit, you know, it has these bumps over here, as you can see, with cushions. And again, clamshell. So I'm putting my baby in. Okay, so this thing, as I showed you guys, so that, just so you know that I'm not lying, here we go. So I'm showing you this. This is the Tourbox. Very useful tool for editing. I can't tell you how much time that it saves. I mean, I did a whole review for y'all, so definitely check that out. I definitely want you guys to see it. Now, again, I don't know even why I put it in this. I shouldn't, but it doesn't matter. So anyways, I'm going to put it right in here. But you know what? Let me show you without that so you guys can see how it has a tight fit in there. So I'm going to remove this out so you guys can see it. Here we go. So I'm going to put this baby in. And you can see this thing fits really snug in. Okay? So as you can see it. So you can see right here. Okay, very tight fit. Literally from end to end. Again, side, it's a clamshell. Okay? Now I'm going to put the braided cable that it came with. Okay? I don't have, you know, you could put it in here, but I just put it right there, and it has a Velcro, okay? So the Velcro is right there, tight, okay? And then now look at this. First off, I want to show you guys the zippers. These zipper heads are really high quality, okay? And obviously it closes in that signature Bofk way that we all come to love. So you can see this thing is really hardcore. What I do wish they had on it, though, and again, I don't know why companies don't manufacture every damn zipper head to have this. A little hole in here so you can put locks if you choose to. Because, again, this is very expensive crap that's in here, and you want to make sure that you take care of it or whatnot, you know, from theft and all of that. Now, you see, you can press it. There's room. Okay, even though it's a tight fit, there is room. And it's just amazing. Okay, and it hangs in that signature Bofk way we all come to love. And just really cool. I mean, it has this plastic thing. It's not that, but it is very sturdy. You can see it's very hard. And just really awesome, you know, case. This is the one I recommend. Now, I know RA makes a good one. Rugged makes good cases as well. I'm trying to think of another company. Targus makes a good case, but I just find their cases way too big for this, that I just kind of like to, I wanted something small, because again, I don't want to take the form factor away. The whole point of that size, that form factor of the Tourbox, is the fact that you could take it on the go, throw it in your bag, And that's it. I don't want to put a big, giant case that's like about this big or something like that. Granted, you could put probably more stuff and whatever, but you're taking away from that throw it in your bag feel. This thing, you could still put tons more crap in there, okay? Because you could see this whole thing here, first off, you could put more stuff in there, and on top of that here. And there's still room on the inside, because yes, it's tight from side to side, but you could see there is still room to put stuff in. So it's just a nice little case that you can just throw, and it really can survive drop tests. Believe me, because I've dropped it already so many damn times. So this thing is really, really cool, and I can't tell you how much I recommend it. And I got it from Amazon. I think it was like about 10 bucks. You could fish for a deal on eBay as well. I'm sure you could probably get it even cheaper. Again, a no-name company named Bofk. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, if you're looking for the case, this is the one that I recommend. You guys told me that you were looking for one. I really hope you guys give this a chance and see how the heck this works for you. If not, if you want bigger ones, RA, Rugged, Targus, they all make nice bags that are available for this, and I definitely recommend that as well. But again, I didn't want to take away from the form factor. I like having these small, tiny bags, and it's a clamshell, and it survives drop tests. It's just an all-around good case. Very high quality. Even the, a lot of these cheap bags that you get from no-name companies, well, this one has a name. It's called Bofk. But, these generic companies, they never make the zipper head strong at all. This thing is a very strong zipper head, so you know that you're going to have, it's going to be really good. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you guys are going to pick yourselves up one of these, if you already have them, after you get it, I definitely want to hear what you guys think down below, and let me know in the forum section, what they call the comment section. This is the reason I opened this channel. It's an independent channel. I pay for all of these babies I review. I'm not a paid-for idiotic reviewer telling you something's good when it's not. This thing is actually awesome, and I really highly recommend that you guys get that. I'm saying it. You guys know in a lot of my video reviews, there's things I recommend, things I don't. This one I really do recommend it. I can't believe I'm saying it. Bofk, 2 thumbs up on this one. Definitely, I think it's good for my needs. You guys wanted to know which one I would recommend. This one I would definitely recommend. Again, if you want a bigger case, you go ahead and do that. Anyways, that's what we're all about here. We're an independent channel, the people's channel. So I want to hear when you get it, if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. Let everybody hear, be vocal about it, because that's how we're going to help the community at large make better informed decisions instead of listening to the paid-for reviewing yuppies out there. Okay, so definitely I want to hear what you guys think. As always, like, subscribe, hit that bell button if you guys like what you see, as many more videos to come. But also, I want to thank you guys for the offering Patreon services and stuff for me, but I don't want to do that. I thank you and love you for it. It's just I believe that you got, I work 3 jobs to make this happen. I want you guys to save that money up for charity, for yourselves. We live in uncertain times, for yourself and family, and also to save up money to buy yourself the gadgets and all this tech that we review, or games that we review, and controllers, everything that we review on here. I would much rather you guys spend that money on yourselves, and and the best way you guys could give back is just by commenting. That's the reason I opened the channel, this channel up, so we can all give back to the community by helping them make better informed decisions by giving people the truth. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini-series to unboxings to technology, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button, as many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.